recording here of the phone instead of the HD, because someone told me that I have fuck all bass in here, and so I thought, hey, we'll try this phone, we'll see how it sounds, because this thing has a pathetic mic, and the Sony HD has a really good mic. There you go, that was with the phone, which is there. Yeah, you heard that. Now listen to it, same song, same loudness, and with a good mic. This is a stereo mic, decent mic, and doesn't fuck up with the bass. As you heard that one, like a lot of videos on YouTube, a lot of bass videos always fuck up when the bass hits. As you can hear it, shitty cameras, what do you expect? You know, shitty phone, shitty mic, fucks up when you hit the bass, and it goes that full on that sound. And you know, it sounds cool because you think, oh, that's the bass, obviously, but no, that's just the mic fucking up. So here's a decent mic, same song, same loudness. I'm going up to get the mail in the Commodore, and so first bit of in-car bass, I guess. So play it.
You can't change, homie. That's why you niggas falling off, man. All you rap niggas falling off, nigga. I'm still here, nigga. I'm still on the block, nigga. Junk music. Let's go. Georgia muscle, homie. Purple drink in my Sprite. Purple in my blood. Bloody high as a kite. I'm just living my life. What's up? 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 And I got threes on the coke. Ace on the truck. Drop down ass bitch with an apple butter well. What's up? What's up? What's up? Like money, smell like money, feel like money. The hoes wipe me down like so. I can burn as a cloud. Can it do those yellow, white, red bars? I'm a block boy, nigga. I was somewhere with the pain. I ain't give me chase, every putting something in the pain. Now they see me in the club, like the eyes. I need something, girl. I'm somewhere with your white, with your love, get my money. I do, so I'm living a good life. I buy you a drink, or a part to the light.
Big shot of Block ENT. My nigga Trump, you don't trust nobody. My nigga Trump can. What up, Rico? What up, Reese? Back up in the shade. Smoking good, show me what it do. My nigga, what it do? Beans right down to what I do tonight. Get drunk to a man.
DJ Slow Intro.
Muppet Sex. Woo! Gotta hold the camera, it's falling back.
There was a slouch named Oscar who lived in a trash can. He was broken, couldn't get harassed at all the other Muppets and the rest of the peeps until he spotted this hottie on Sesame Street. He said, I really like your swagger and I can carry on, but your smile illuminates like a prairie dawn. I'm going gonzo, so maybe we should talk like Fozzie Bear's jokes. We can waka waka waka. You should try it out, girl. Maybe we're a match. Just like Pinocchio, there be no strings attached. I wanna get to know you, and girl, if you're up to it, I can be your big bird and we can snuffle up again.
So she decided to confront him like, I know you lost interest, but we should really talk, cause I'm
One horny Muppet.
We've got that rainbow connection, and honey, if it suits ya, maybe we can make some Muppet babies in the future. But until that day, my sex drive ain't dead. So she upside his head. Now get in that bedroom and get butt naked. Cause I'm a little piggy and I bring home the bacon. And put on that love song, you wanna like the bump to. Cause just cause I'm a Muppet, that don't mean that I won't hump you. Just cause I'm a Muppet doesn't mean that I won't hump you. Just cause I'm a Muppet doesn't mean that I won't hump you. Just cause I'm a Muppet doesn't mean that I won't hump you.
Cause Muppets need love too.
Just cause I'm a Muppet doesn't mean that I won't hump you. Just cause I'm a Muppet doesn't mean that I won't hump you. Just cause I'm a Muppet doesn't mean that I won't hump you.
And cause Muppets need love too.
And look what I just got in the mail. 40, that's right, 40 LEDs. And they're UV, purple UV. So what am I going to do with 40 UV purple LEDs? Find out in the next video.